flash just then. An aircraft in trouble began shedding parts as it flew over Sea Haven just a few moments ago.
In case I don't see ya. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
The great central sun, also called the great hub, is the center of cosmos, the point of integration of the spirit-matter cosmos, the point of origin of all physical, spiritual creation, the nucleus or white fire core of the cosmic egg. The God star, Sirius, is the focus of the great central sun in our sector of the galaxy. The spiritual sun behind the physical sun in the center of the universe is not, as it would seem, in back of the physical sun. It is congruent with or superimposed upon it, but in another dimension. Man's own causal body is a miniature replica of the great central sun. Moreover, every atom and manifestation is built upon the same pattern of energy spirals evolving spheres within spheres. The color bands of the great central sun, as well as the atom, are planes of God's consciousness, differentiated only by their frequency or vibration, and the white fire core is the focus of spirit becoming matter and matter becoming spirit. Thus, in the hub, the center of the spirit-matter cosmos, and in the heart of every atom, the spiritual sun and the physical sun coexist. Here, in the white fire core, the simultaneous manifestation of spirit and matter provides the necessary components for creation. Here and only here can creation be born. 11 concentric rings surround the core of God's being. These, together with the center, make up the 12 planes of consciousness found in the atom of God. 7 outer rays and 5 secret rays. A vortex of energy, physical or spiritual, central to systems or worlds that it thrusts from or gathers onto itself by the central sun magnet. Whether in the microcosm or the macrocosm, the central sun is the principal energy source, vortex or nexus of energy interchange in atoms, cells, man, the heart center, amidst plant life in the core of the earth. The great central sun, also called the great hub, is the center of cosmos, the point of integration of the spirit-matter cosmos, the point of origin of all physical, spiritual creation, the nucleus or white fire core of the cosmic egg. The God star, Sirius, is the focus of the great central sun in our sector of the galaxy.